welcome to our 4th annual NatureScape garden tours, where our customers can see the beautiful ways that the outdoor landscape can be transformed to be water efficient.
So here we are at Moulton Niguel's headquarters. We've been here for about 2 years now. We think this is a great location. We're helping our customers save money and save water. The customers that have enrolled in the NatureScape have saved 250 million gallons of water each and every year. It's really outstanding.
We got some information in our water bill from Moulton Niguel. We just became very excited about the opportunity to not just save water, but to have a native-friendly landscape. I think when people sometimes think of a native California garden, they don't think you can have color. It's amazing how many native plants there are that offer this kind of color. It's beautiful, it's relaxing, you get nature. We never had native birds here. Now we have California townies and all sorts of birds that are native to the area. It's a really good feeling to have something that's supporting the environment.
For the customers that have the NatureScape and the neighbors that see it, this is promoting how beautiful a yard can look with the native California plants. So as the neighbors drive by, they see how great it looks. On their own, we see them picking up and changing their yards to be beautiful, save money, and save water.
My name is Eve Fine. I'm one of the co-founders and co-executive directors of Community Roots Academy. We have 800 students using this space in this courtyard area, and between the rain and the usage, our turf got completely destroyed. We looked into the turf rebate program and realized that we qualified, and we decided to move in that direction to have a usable courtyard with the native plants. We have these stepping stones that the students love, gabion benches, and a mandala garden, which is a sensory garden. We have a rain chain where the children can watch the rain come down into the dry creek. So many amazing elements.
We design and install this garden. It was originally 10,000 square feet of lawn, and the main goal was to bring back California natives, reintroduce them, teach, especially the kids, how important they are for our climate.
They explore all the plants that are here. We're hoping that they'll help us maintain it at a certain point going forward once we have it established. So we're just looking to enrich it and create more educational experiences for the students.
So by starting NatureScape, what we were able to do is connect our customers with representatives that can come out and make a plan. So it's something that's turnkey, that made it very easy for our customers to get involved.